The buzz is building, and drone enthusiasts can't stop talking about the next big release from DJI, the Avatar 3. Following the success of the Avatar 2, expectations for this next-gen FPV drone are skyrocketing. While details are still under wraps, the Avatar 3 could take drone technology to new heights. Let's dive into the rumors, the possible features, and what makes this drone a potential game changer. First off, let's talk about the camera system. One of the most exciting upgrades. While the Avatar 2 boasted a solid 1 by 1.7-inch CMOS sensor and 4K at 60 frames per second HDR, the Avatar 3 is rumored to come with a massive 1-inch sensor. This upgrade promises sharper, clearer images, better color depth, and outstanding performance even in low-light conditions. Professional filmmakers and photographers will appreciate the enhanced quality, giving them a cinematic edge in every shot. But that's not all. DJI may also introduce support for raw video files or advanced color grading profiles, taking post-production flexibility to new heights. Whether you're creating jaw-dropping landscapes or capturing fast-paced action, this camera could be a game changer for drone cinematography. Now, what about battery life? The Avatar 2 already offered a respectable 23 minutes of flight time. But with advancements in battery tech, the Avatar 3 could push that closer to 30 minutes. Expect more efficient motors, optimized power management, and a longer-lasting flight experience. Whether you're out for a quick flight or working on an extended project, this drone has you covered. Stabilization is key for FPV drones, and while the Avatar 2 already uses DJI's solid Rocksteady and Horizon Steady systems, the Avatar 3 might push it further with enhanced electronic image stabilization. There's even talk of a mechanical gimbal, ensuring buttery smooth footage, no matter how sharp the turns or fast the movements. For the thrill seekers and filmmakers alike, this could mean capturing high-speed, dynamic shots with unmatched fluidity. Obstacle avoidance is another major upgrade on the horizon. Unlike the limited detection system of the Avatar 2, the Avatar 3 could feature 360-degree omnidirectional sensors. This would significantly reduce the risk of collisions, making it safer and easier to fly in both urban environments and natural landscapes, perfect for those who are new to drones or flying in challenging conditions. DJI's advanced transmission systems are also expected to get an upgrade. While the Avatar 2 uses the 03 Plus transmission system, the Avatar 3 may introduce the 04 system, offering improved resolution, lower latency, and even greater range. It's all about delivering crystal clear live feeds, no matter how far you are from the drone. And then there's the propulsion system. With more powerful motors and optimized aerodynamics, the Avatar 3 is set to take speed and agility to the next level. Whether you're pushing the limits of freestyle flying or capturing breathtaking cinematic footage, this drone promises superior responsiveness and dynamic movement. In conclusion, the DJI Avatar 3 is shaping up to be a revolutionary release in the world of FPV drones. With rumored enhancements in camera quality, stabilization, flight time, obstacle avoidance, and more, this drone has the potential to redefine what's possible in the sky. Stay tuned for more updates from DJI and get ready to take your drone adventures to the next level with the Avatar 3.